Namaste students. Today I am going to discuss about the topic isoenzymes. Isozyme or isoenzymes. So what are the isozymes? Isoenzymes are the enzymes that catalyze identical chemical reactions. Means their functions are similar. They are going to complete a single type of functions. Functions are very similar, but what is their difference? They differ in their amino acid sequence, but the function are similar. So we can understand the isozymes in this way. For example, A, B, C, D are the enzymes, and isozymes are there. D, B, D, C, A. But only uh, s- there is a difference between their sequence. Only sequence difference is there, but they are performing the same kind of functions. How the isoenzymes are formed? They are formed due to homologous recombination of the gene repair. Means there is some exchange of some genetic material between the similar groups. What and when this happens? This happens when gene duplication or genetic codes are formed. So these actually happens when the genetic codes are formed, and during their synthesis they goes to the homologous recombination, and due to this homologous recombination the isoenzymes are formed. This is the example of gene duplication in which this is the chromosome, and this part of the chromosome is exchanged. Okay, so there are two types of chromosomes are formed in which there is a combination of two regions. What are the applications of isoenzymes? They are used in the diagnostic and therapeutic. In the diagnostic, they are used in the biochemical markers and in the analytical preparation of some analytical reagents. And in therapeutic, they are used in the treatment of different kinds of diseases, and they are used in the enhancement of the normal functioning of the body. Diagnostic, for the diagnostic, uh, they are used in the diagnosis of the cardiac diseases, muscle diseases, bone diseases, and hepatic diseases. Cardiac biomarkers, they are used in the detection of a troponin test and creatine kinase, that is the NB. Enzymes which are used in the diagnostic include the urease, which is used in the detection of urea, uricase, which is used in the detection of uric acid, glucose oxidase, which is used in the detection of glucose. The example include the alkaline phosphatase, which is the enzyme that removes phosphate group from the molecule in the body, and it is important in the correct function of the liver, intestine, and placenta. It is an isoenzyme, and it is used in the abnormal level of the. It is used in the detection of some uh, diseases and for the normal functioning of the placenta. But what happens when there is an abnormal level of the alkaline phosphate? When there is an abnormal level of alkaline phosphate, it will indicate a variety of conditions include liver diseases, bone disease, and pregnancy. So it is alkaline phosphatase is very important for us. The alkaline phosphate is also involved in the growth. It is involved in the different kinds of uh, protein synthesis. Similarly, they are involved in the newborn formation. Means if a newborn is generated, then A new bond generation is coordinated by the alkaline phosphate in the newborn baby. The next example is lactic dehydrogenase, which is essential for the anaerobic respiration and it is found during low oxygen level. The example is lactic dehydrogenase and it is used in the dehydration of the pyruvate into lactate. Lactate is the source of muscular energy. Lactodehydrogenase exists in five varieties in human body: LDH1, LDH2, lactodehydrogenase 3, lactodehydrogenase 4, lactodehydrogenase 5. Multiple forms of enzymes include for example, the alcohol dehydrogenase is found in the yeast. Alkaline phosphatase is found in the bone. Uh, Lactate dehydrogenase is found in the mammalian tissues, and malate dehydrogenase is found in the mitochondria. Now, therapeutic application of these isoenzymes, they are involved in the. There are some enzymes which have some therapeutic importance, including the streptokinase, which is have an important role in the removal of blood clots. Asparginase is have important role in the cancer therapy. Papain have important role in the anti-inflammatory activity. Alpha 1 antitrypsin have important role in the emphysema, and pancreatic enzymes have important role in the digestion. Analytical roles of enzymes include glucose oxidase have important role in the glucose detection. UAH is used in the detection of urea. Cholesterol oxidase is used in detection of cholesterol. Lipase is used in detection of triacylglycerols. Luciferase is used in the detection of bacterial contamination of the food. Alkaline phosphatase is important role in the analytical technique of the ELISA. Now, application of these enzymes in genetic engineering. The enzyme restriction endonucleotides have important role in the gene transfer and take polymerase have important role in the polymerase chain reaction. So these all are the applications of enzymes. Now application of enzyme in industrial application. The ranitidine is used in the cheese preparation. Glucose isomerase is used in the production of high fructose syrup. Alpha amylase is used in the food industry. Protease is used in the washing powder. So these all are the application of enzymes. So our lecture is over here. Thank you very much.